Last video, one role in your agent team learned to refuse a bad input instead of guessing. Today we find out whether the rest of the team actually notices when it does. Right now, it doesn't. Here's why. The Orchestrator command video 14 wraps every role's output in a handoff envelope and passes it forward. The instructions literally say unchanged. And the next role in line, positioning and messaging designer, is told not to rederive or second-guess whatever it receives. Neither side is set up to notice a rejection. Run the same evidence-free input from last video through the real Orchestrator. Business needs analyst correctly rejects it. But run-team.md wraps that rejection notice in the handoff envelope exactly like a normal result and forwards it anyway. This time, positioning and messaging designer actually notices something's wrong and won't invent a pitch from nothing. But that's not a rule catching it, that's the model getting lucky. Nothing in the file structure stopped the rejection from being forwarded in the first place. The fix touches two files. Handoff.md gets a rejection detection rule, but the first version I wrote checked for a literal text prefix and real markdown output broke it immediately. The working version checks the status field's value instead, regardless of bullets or bold formatting around it. Runteam.md gets a matching step. Before forwarding any role's output, check it against that rule, and if it's a rejection, stop the sequence right there instead of continuing. Run the identical input again through the revised Orchestrator. Business needs analyst rejects it exactly as before. This time, runteam.md catches it before wrapping, stops the sequence, and surfaces the rejection to you. Positioning and messaging designer never runs. That's the whole fix. The Orchestrator now checks what it's forwarding instead of trusting it blindly, on every link in the chain, not just this one. The Orchestrator will now catch a rejection anywhere in the chain, but right now, only business needs analyst can produce one. The other 5 always present roles still have no rejection criteria of their own, from video 15's checklist. Harden one, and this fix is already watching for it. To be clear about what this proves, the same rejection that used to get silently forwarded now stops the sequence and comes back to you on record, before and after, same input. This doesn't score evidence or decide when a role's confidence is good enough to proceed. That's next. For now, harden a second role's rejection criteria and watch this same fix catch it.